Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study with Prasad. So this is Reasoning Full Course, third chapter, Analogy or Similarity. If you are new to my channel, please check out my other videos. I have uploaded all the railway exams, previous year papers. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Question number 1. Select the word pair in which two words are related in same way. 5. Pentagon. So 5. Pentagon has 5 sides. 4. Rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides. So this is similar. Option A is the answer. So triangle has 3 sides. So this is 3. Square has 4 sides. This is 4. This is 6. Septagon has 7 sides. So this is not possible. Only option A. Question number 2. Select the word pair which two words are related in same way. Circle, shape. So circle is a type of shape. Toy is used for playing. So this is not possible. Car, driver. Driver drives the car. So this is also not possible. Sharpener is a type of stationery. So this is the answer. Question number 3. Pen, author. So author writes with pen a story. Chef uses knife to cook. So same pair. So option A. Question number 4. So they have given pair rancid and fresh. So both are opposite words. So we have to check the opposite words in the given options. Summer sun. So both are same. So this is eliminated. Next, deep hard. So this is also eliminated. Last, initial. So these are opposite. So option A is the answer. Question number 5. Food, cook. So a cook makes food. Farmer makes crop. So this is like this. So this is not possible because it should be like this relation. Furniture, wood. Wood makes furniture. With wood we can make furniture. Here tailor make clothes. Goldsmith makes jewelry. So wood furniture. Wood cannot make furniture, but with wood we can make furniture. So this is also wrong. This is wrong. So goldsmith makes jewelry. So this is the answer. Question number 6. We have to select the word pair. So given are garage, mechanic. Mechanic works in garage. So labor works in factory. So this is like this. So this is wrong. Doctor works in hospital. So this is same pattern. So both are work. So option B. Question number 7. So given word pair is star, sun. So sun is a star. Here bird is not sparrow. Sparrow is a bird. Wild is not animal. Animal can be wild. Venus is hot. So hot is not Venus. Mars is a planet. So option D. Question number 8. So given word pair are web, spider. Spider makes web. Bird makes nest. So option A. Question number 9. So the given word pair are arc, circle. So this is circle. So if it is cut in a small portion, this is theta. So this will be arc. So arc is a part of circle. Clock, needle. Needle is a part of clock. So this is reverse. House, room. Room is a part of house. So this is reverse, wrong. Sofa, blade. So this is also wrong. Bikes, tires. Tires is a part of bike. So option D. Question number 10. So the given word pair is skin eczema. So eczema is a skin disease. Cataract is a eyes disease. So option C is the answer. Diabetes, kidney, oxygen, lungs. So these are not diseases. So only option C. Question number 11. Select the word pair. Phone, telecommunication. So phone is used for telecommunication. Newspaper, magazine. So this is not. Bus, transportation. So bus is used for transportation. So option B. Question number 12. So the given word pair is venomous frog is an amphibian. Snail is not an amphibian. Crab is not an amphibian. Squirrel is not a reptile. Turtle is a reptile. So reptiles breathe through lungs. Option D. Question number 13. So this is based on similarity. Red color. So red is a color. Then profession. Here question mark. We have to find it. So lawyer, court, school, black. Lawyer is a profession. So here red is a color. So both are related. So option A, lawyer is the answer. Question number 14. Lion, cave. So lion lives in cave. Stables, question mark. So here out of these four options, horse lives in stables. So option A. Question number 15. Circumference, circle. So this is circle. So this total outside will be circumference. Next, perimeter. So out of these given options, only square has perimeter. So this is square. So these lines are called perimeter, same as this. So option D. Question number 16. Water, drink. Water is used for drinking. Bread. So out of this, bread is used for eating. So option B. Question number 17. Salary, job. So if you do job, you will get salary. Profits. So out of this, business. So if you do business, you will get profit. So option B. Question number 18. Rubber and pencil. So both are used as stationery. Here chair, table. So chair and table. So both are used as furniture. So option C. Question number 19. So here cloth is made in a mill. Now crop is made in farm. Question number 20. Office, clerk. Clerk works in office. Site. So here engineer works in site. So option D. Question number 21. Chapter, book. So if this is book, book will have chapters like this. So handle, brake, bicycle, pedal, goal. So this is bicycle. Bicycle has two handles. So option B. Question number 22. Brick wall. So brick is used to make walls. So used to make walls. Here gold is used to make jewelry. So option A. Question number 23. Rainbow sky. So rainbow appears on sky. Tsunami, pond, sea, land, atmosphere. So tsunami appears on C. Option B. Question number 24. Catch tongs. So tongs helps to hold an object. Dig, here pen, gutter, spoon, hoe. So hoe helps in digging the ground. Here tongs is an object. Here hoe is an object. Question number 25. Septagon figure. So septagon is a type of figure. So male is a type of gender. Question number 26. Amphibian frog. So frog is an amphibian insect. So out of this following, butterflies is an insect. Question number 27. So bird nest. Bird lives in nest. So this is like this. Here jeep soldier big king. Soldier doesn't live in palace. Jeep big. So this is also not correct. King lives in palace. Question number 28. So a car has wheel. A clock has needle. Question number 29. So liter volume. SI unit of liter will be volume. Liter is expressed in cubic meter. So SI unit of cubic meter is volume. Hectare is related to area, time, mass, force. So hectare means measured in area. SI unit is a measurement. Question number 30. Crockery cup. So cup is made using crockery. So here rat, shopkeeper, shop, trouser. So this is garment. Trouser is made using garments. So option D. Question number 31. Leather shoes. So leather is made, no, shoes is made using leather. So this is the relation. Here asphalt, car, air, water. So road is made using asphalt. Option D. Question number 32. A film is produced by producer. A poem is produced by poet. Question number 33. Jute sack. So sack is made using jute. Wood, here furniture. So furniture is made using wood. So this will be like this same relation. Question number 34. Cold refrigerator. So refrigerator is always cold. Hot. So oven is always hot. Question number 35. Season winter. Triangle is a figure. So this is winter is a season. In the same way, triangle is a figure. Option C. Question number 36. Court tennis. So tennis is a sport played in court. Rink. Here skating. Skating is played in rink. Option B. Question number 37. Green is a color. So cricket is a game. Question number 38. So plate is a type of utensil. Car is a type of vehicle. So this is one of the types of vehicle, that is same relation. Question number 39. Spoke is used to form wheel. So number of spokes is used to form wheel. In the same way, number of words is used to form a sentence. So option A, same logic. Question number 40. Myopic is related to farsighted. So this is, it can appear close objects clearly. So this is far objects clearly. So these two are opposites. So famous, obscure. So obscure means not known to more people. Famous means known to more people. So both are same opposites. So option A. Question number 41. Year June. So June is part of the year. Here Thursday week. So Thursday is part of the week. So option A. Question number 42. Nephrology kidney. So nephrology is specially of internal medicinal effect the kidneys. So in the same way, ophthalmology. So ophthalmology is the branch of medicine concerns with the study of and treatment of eyes. So this is related to same logic. So option B. Question number 43. So a fan runs with electricity by consuming electricity. In the same way, so this is not related. Petrol fuel not related. Bike kick. So this is also not related. Next vehicle diesel. So vehicle runs with by consuming diesel. So option D. Question number 44. Fossils paleontology. So this is the study of the history of the life on earth based on fossils. So in the same way, given options. So botany is study of plants. So option D. Question number 45. Waiter serves food in hotel. In same way, mechanic repairs in garage. So same, this is option D, same logic. Question number 46. Seismology is study of earthquakes. So in the given options A, B, C, D, ornithology is the study of zoology, that is birds. So this is a branch of zoology. Question number 47. So zinc is an alloy of brass. So in the same way, so this is option A, B, C, D, bronze, copper. So both are alloys. So same logic. Question number 48. So telephone is used for communication. So in the same way, television is used for entertainment. So option A, same logic. Question number 49. So architect is a person who deals with house maps. In the same way, carpenter is a person who deals with furniture. So they have knowledge in same profession. So architect, house map, carpenter, furniture, same logic. Question number 50. Exercise helps to increase fitness. In the same way, treatment helps to increase recovery. So option D.